Remove the tray from the enclosure. Remove the tray cover. Unfasten and remove the captive screw on the clamp bracket. If a heat pipe beam is installed, unfasten the screw that secures it and then remove the heat pipe beam. Unfasten the captive screw on the PCIe riser assembly. Unfasten the short screw that secures the riser assembly. Hold both edges of the PCIe riser cage assembly and remove it from the node. Unfasten the screw and then hold both ends of the adapter and carefully pull it out of the PCIe riser cage.